Hello and welcome to my presentation on the Bloomers e-commerce website. Bloomers is a plant shop located in Accra that caters to mainly citizens in Accra. It sells plants, inorganic, organic, and some tools that help you take care of them. So to make their e-commerce site, I used PHP, CSS, JavaScript, and Ajax. That's Ajax JavaScript Ajax to help me to form the sites. In doing the sites, I used a Bootstrap template, Bootstrap 4 templates created by one Imran Hussein. So I thought I should just put that out there. So the architectural structure I used to do this was the MVC. That is the MVC. So it's separated into three parts. The back end, the connector, and the front end. At least that's how I understand it. So there, for the back end portion, we have the controllers and the classes. The middle connectors part are what we call those controllers and classes as the actions. Yeah, most of them were in the actions folder. And then the front end part was the view, where the user is able to interact with the application and gain results. So let's look at the website itself. So here we have the Bloomers website. If you go to the website loads, this is what you see first. This is the index page. And on the index page, you'll be able to go to certain places and you'll not be able to go to certain places based on whether you are logged in or not. So you have the option to log in, register, and know a bit about the people who built the website and about the page and everything. So let's say we want to know about the websites. You're able to see all of these things. But if we wanted to look at advice, that's advice on the products that they offer on the website in the form of blogs, or actually look at the products, you'll not be able to enter unless you actually sign in. So when you click that, it sends you to the login page. So let me quickly take you through the whole process. So if we want to register a user, let's say we want to register Mary. And for the sake of this, let's make a password something easy and allow her to re-enter the password, country, city, and the contact number. Okay, so I'd like to show you some of the validation involved in this website. So we have let's say the passwords you entered are different and you try and sign up. It gives you an error message. If they are the same but the length of the mobile number, for example, is not proportionate, then we have that. So let's make everything right and let's quickly sign up. Okay, so signed up. Let's log in. And the password was, let's hope that's correct. So it should send you to the products page showing you all the products that have been uploaded. There's an admin side of this that I'm not really going to show, but I'll leave the link to the admin's details inside the comments so that you can look at that side. So the products are shown here: images, titles, prices, ability to add to cart directly from the all products page, and the categories for each of the products are natural artificial tools. The person on the back end is able to add more as is needed. So if I wanted to add, let's say, roses, and I add to cart, products added successfully. If I wanted to look at the products and look at the description of the products. I just click it, look at the description. Let's say I wanted to add 10 sunflowers to my cart for some reason, and I add to cart, product is added successfully. But let's say while here I made a mistake and I rather wanted to add 5, and I add to cart. Product already is in cart, so the quantity is updated. So sunflowers is supposed to be 5 in the cart. These are some related products. You're able to add them from here too. And comments. These are all comments for this specific product. So any customer who leaves a comment for that product is able to see it. So like real customer left 2. Let's add 1 too. I love this. And let's submit it and see what happens. So the comments are successfully reloads, and I love this. Now if you notice, some places I made the page reload. I used Ajax, I made the page reload. I actually had some difficulties getting calling the comment and displaying it after I submitted it. I'm sure there was a way to do it, but I couldn't find out. Because maybe I didn't look hard enough. Okay, so let's look at the advice before we go to the cart. So on our advice page, we'll look at different blog posts for the different products that are already available. So let's say you're taking care of roses. I want to know how to take care of roses. Look at this. Be able to read. Look at some of the recent posts like raising daisies, etc., etc. Shows you the date and everything. Data was uploaded. Now let me take you to the cart so we can close. So the carts, as you can see, the sunflowers are actually 5. The roses 2 are here. You can also change the quantity just like before. Shows you the total as you make changes. So let's say we remove roses, that's 200. So this is supposed to come to 1,000. And I close this, proceed. So product has been deleted and now it's 1,000. So coupons. So you enter the coupon, apply, and then to reduce the total price. Checkout is the person's name, your email, which is working, and delivery address. That's if you want it delivered. For this specific project, I've set the price to something lower than 1 CD. So we'll not be paying 200 or anything intentionally in the back end, so that it'll be easy to pay. So if I wanted to do this, I would have to enter my mobile number. Vodafone. Okay, and when I confirm, they'll say registration token has been sent. And I'll enter that token. That's 468188. Let's authorize. And then comes to the input the pin. Sorry, let me try it again. There's a problem with my distance. So let's say we place order, and then the phone number, confirm, sometimes this takes a bit of time. That times the charm. Place order. Confirm. usually works, but today the seems like the network is not really correct. Because the distance is not even coming at all. But if you try from your side, it'll work. And if it doesn't work, just call me and we'll talk about it. So that's basically it. Uh, I used my lecturer's key, live key. So if you pay with the site, it will go into his account. So please be mindful of giving him your money. And that's basically it for now. Any suggestions or questions, I'd like to know in the comments, or if you can get personal contact with me. So that's basically it. Thank you for coming to my presentation.